Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and as promised I'm gonna make some ice cream sandwich or ice cream cake. Jamaican people say ice cream cake. All right, so let's get into the video. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. I'm gonna use the leftovers grape nut ice cream, or you can use any vanilla, any ice cream of your choice. All right, and I got from Dollarama this small cake, or you can use the you can just buy the box cake and make it any chocolate cake. All right, you need a bowl and you need some cling wrap. All right, so it can come out easily when it's frozen again or freeze up. I'm gonna get my cake. Ooh, it's a nice chocolate cake. And guys, I'm gonna use my hand. Put this aside, and I'm gonna use my hand. Okay, I'm gonna put the cake right around it. Ooh, look at that goodness, guys. So I'm just gonna use your hand, and I'm gonna just put it right around it. All right guys, and then I'm gonna put a little bit in the bottom, and I'm just gonna like squeeze it in a little bit, guys, something like so. You can do it anyhow you want. All right, we're gonna leave it at that for now. When you get it like this is how you want it. All right, then I already take my ice cream out. All right, so it's kind of a little bit soft. This is how you want it. All right, and I'm just gonna scoop it in here. All right guys, so when you have the goodness like this, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna even it out a little bit, like even Steven. I'm just gonna sink this down. All right, that's good. Now guys, I'm just gonna take this part from under here, and I'm gonna fold it over. And I'm gonna close the lid. And I'm gonna freeze this. You wanna freeze it for 6 hours or overnight. And we're gonna take a look at this. So you wanna leave it for overnight so it firm up. And then what you wanna do, guys, you're just gonna lift it out like this. It's supposed to. All right guys, so basically I wet this side, okay? And then you want to take it out, and I'm going to come on over here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it like upside down. And that's it. You can go ahead and put some whipped cream on top. You can decorate it however you want. And this one is the coconut flavored. And I'm gonna put some cherry on it. So something like that, guys. And time to cut in it. Okay, so you want to cut some slices. You can cut them thick or thin. So let's go in. gonna be something like that. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put a little bit more whipped cream just to the side or in the middle, and a cherry, and that's it. Easy and simple. So that's how I make my ice cream cake, or some people say ice cream sandwich. All right guys, this is it, and this is the grape nut flavor. This is good for Christmas time, any occasion. All right guys, and that's my ice cream cake for you. Happy holidays. Bye guys.